Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily take screenshots and screen record on your Apple iPhone 17. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's jump right into it. So I'm going to show you really quickly how to take screenshots and also how to screen record on your iPhone. So to take screenshots is fairly simple. All you have to do is you're going to press the volume up and the power lock button or Siri button. You're going to press both of them at the same time really quickly and release. There you go. As you can see, it took a screenshot. Okay, before saving the screenshot, you can go ahead and crop it here. You can edit certain things. You could write on it. And then once you're ready, go ahead and hit the check mark up here and it will save. To save it, and you could save it to photo, save it to files, or save as a quick note. I usually just like to save it to photos. So once we go into photos now, we will see the screenshot right here, okay? All right, so now I'm gonna show you how to screen record. So in order to screen record, you're gonna swipe down from the top right of the screen, okay? And I usually like to have the screen record option right here so that I can quickly access it. It is not here right now though. So how we're gonna add it is we're gonna press and hold on the screen and we're gonna select add a control. And then here we're going to have a couple different options to choose from. Screen recording will be this one right here. So we're going to go ahead and select it. And there we go. Then we can tap the screen and screen record will be saved in your control menu here. So every time you swipe down now, you'll have fast access to screen record. So go ahead and select screen record. It's going to give you a 3-second countdown. And then it's going to automatically start recording the screen. Okay. So everything will be recorded. You could use this to record, videos, messages, phone calls, etc. Once you're ready, tap on the red dot right here and you can stop recording by pressing the square. There you go. The recording is automatically saved to photos. So let's go into photos again. And here we have the screen recording now. Okay, there you go. So from here, you can also edit it. You can lengthen it, shorten it, cut it, crop it, adjust filters, etc. A couple different ways to edit the screen recording. Once you're ready, hit done and you could save it as video or save it as a new clip. So yeah, there you go. That is how you take screenshots and screen record on your Apple iPhone 17. Go ahead and destroy that like button if this video helped you out and comment down below and let me know if it did. That's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, peace.